always felt there was a bit of magic inside me.
You've awoken the ancient energy. Now,
Hey there, creator. Ever wondered how to make videos like this? Follow along with me. I'll show you exactly how to create these amazing effects.
Before we start, here are the tools I use to create the intro video. Nano Banana for creative image generation. Google VO3 to animate the video. ElevenLabs for sound effects and voice. Final Cut Pro for editing. You can use any editing software you prefer. The first thing you need is a video or an image. Step 1. Export the frame. Export the last frame as an image. This is the frame we'll edit using Nano Banana. Click Export Frame, then OK. It's now saved in the Downloads folder. Go to Nano Banana. I use Nano Banana inside Gemini. Click Upload and choose the frame you just exported from Final Cut Pro, or from any editor you like. Now, simply describe the character you want to transform into. It could be a superhero, a robot, or even an otherworldly being. Let your imagination run wild. In this example, the man transforms into a superhero wearing a sleek metallic suit, glowing with vivid blue light in a style inspired by Marvel heroes, while keeping his original facial features and background, so the scene looks realistic and exciting. You can always ask ChatGPT to write a professional prompt to help you get the best possible result. How to use ChatGPT to write prompts. Open ChatGPT. Tell it exactly what you want to create. For example, I want to turn this image into a cinematic video, or I want a character in a superhero outfit with a realistic background. Ask it to craft a professional prompt for Nano Banana or VO3. Copy the generated prompt and use it inside the tool. Try tweaks and repeat the process until you get a result you like. You can also ask ChatGPT to write multiple versions of the same prompt in different styles: cinematic, fantasy, realistic, cartoon, etc. So you can pick what fits your project or the tone of your video. After experimenting, I got 2 stunning images. Look at the details. They're truly impressive. The lighting is realistic, the suit feels like part of a cinematic scene, and best of all, the facial features stayed intact, making the result natural and very convincing. Step 2. Turn the image into a video. At this stage, I'll use VO3 inside the Flow platform, because it gives more accurate and realistic results for character motion and lighting. After opening Flow, choose Frames to Video. I'll upload the image I created earlier using Nano Banana, then start writing the prompt that describes the motion and the desired scene. Prompt: a medieval knight stands inside a modern living room. Sunlight streams through the windows, and the camera slowly moves closer. He looks toward us calmly and says, "Honor isn't about where you stand. It's about what you stand for." Then I choose the video orientation, horizontal or vertical. For the number of outputs, I'll select just one. For the model, I'll choose the fastest option. Finally, I click Submit, and VO3 will generate the video automatically. The result is usually amazing. And here is the result.
Honor isn't about where you stand. It's about what you stand for.
Truly stunning. Once you're happy with the output, download the enhanced version. Then, bring it into your editing software. I now have both the original and the transform shots ready. Step 3. Create the transition. Now, how do we build that middle part, the transformation itself? We already have the end frame from the original video, but now we need a start frame. Move the playhead to the beginning of the VO3 clip and export that frame. Now we can use VO3 to do this directly. Go to Flow. Here, I add the start frame and then the end frame. Then I'll write a prompt. For example, at first, you see him as a medieval knight, his metal armor gleaming under the light. Then, glowing blue energy begins to flow across the armor. Now this becomes the middle video between the two clips, but when you play it, it might feel slow. So in Final Cut Pro, speed it up. This makes it flow more smoothly. Step 4. Change voice and add effects using ElevenLabs. In reality, VO3 generates the video with an embedded voice, but sometimes that voice doesn't fit the character or the scene itself. That's why I use ElevenLabs. It lets you change or enhance the voice very easily with just a few clicks. Practical example. First, I'll extract the audio from the video. You can do this inside your editing software. Choose Export, then Audio Only, or use any online tool. Just type Video to Audio on Google. Next, go to ElevenLabs and open Voice Changer. Drag and drop the audio here, then choose the voice you want.
Life isn't about finding yourself.
Government of the people, by the people.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm,
Greetings, good people.
For example, I'll pick this voice.
All right, you got me. I'm an alien, but I come in peace. Peace? That's cute.
It sounds really great. Now, you can also create your own custom voice. Go to Voices, Create or Clone a Voice, Voice Design, and write this prompt. A deep, calm male voice with a noble, commanding tone, with a slight metallic echo, as if speaking from inside armor. Sounds wise, honorable, and confident, like a medieval knight. I'll create 3 voices and choose the best one.
Greetings, good people. It is an honor to stand before you. It is an honor to stand before you. Greetings, good people.
This one sounds perfect. I'll name it Knight Valor. Choose English as the language, then save the voice. Now this voice is saved and ready to use anytime. About sound effects. As for sound effects, ElevenLabs has a very large library of sounds. You can search by categories like energy, metal, environment, futuristic, or simply type the kind of sound you need, like transformation sound or energy pulse. You can also create your own custom sound effect. Just describe the sound you imagine, and ElevenLabs will generate it automatically. After that, drop the sounds into your editing timeline and sync them with the scene. I'll speed up this step so you can quickly see how the final video looks. And finally, this is the final result. Let me show you how I made it happen.
Honor isn't about where you stand. It's about what you stand for.
Power is nothing without discipline.
The transformation looks natural and polished. The lighting is beautiful, and the movement matches the scene. The outcome is truly satisfying after blending the voice and sound effects at the right moments. The video is now ready to publish, and you can apply these same steps to any other idea or scene. Just change the concept and style, and let the tools handle the rest. This was a simple experiment showing how smart tools can compress hours of work into minutes. And if you want to try the tools yourself, you'll find all their links in the description below.
If you like the tutorial, don't forget to hit the like to support the channel, subscribe to learn new tools and techniques every week, and share your thoughts in the comments. What tool would you like me to cover in the next video? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you enjoyed this, I highly recommend watching How to Use Nano Banana Like a Pro to see how you can create mind-blowing image edits with Google's AI. And after that, check out Master Google VO3 to learn how to turn your ideas into cinematic videos with just a few clicks.